Okay guys, quick little video here just to show you how to install the chain. So when you receive your chain, you'll see there's a little quick link here. That's one of the links in the chain that allows you to take it apart. And if you've got this is what the proper tool looks like, and you can use it to basically rest one side of the tool against the pin here. And then you'll see there's an open end to this quick link here. It's a little bit with almost like a wedge shape. And use the other end of the tool to grab that, and it just pops out. Can you see that? Pops out like that. That allows you to remove it. If you don't have one of these tools, you can also use a pair of pliers. A needle nose pair of pliers works pretty well. So something like this, and again it's the same. You want one side of the pliers on the end of this clip and the other side on the pin on the other end, like that. A little bit more tricky with these, like that. So to remove it, it's one side of the pliers on this pin here and the other side on the open end of the quick link clip, like that. So once you remove that, underneath there's a washer, and then you can separate the chain like that. So once you've separated the chain, it's just a case of threading it back on. So the easiest way of doing this is to take an open end of the chain, poke it in between this jockey wheel here and the motor sprocket, just thread it through like that, then wrap it round this one here, just let it drop underneath the frame like that, and then wrap round the motor sprocket up and over all the way to the front, round the chain wheel, and then we can just join these two up. We can deal with the chain tensioner later. So when we join these up, there's a few things to look out for. So first off, the quick link has these two pins for joining to the clip. Those need to be pointing out. So where you've got the quick link piece like this, these rounded ends need to be facing the inside. So you need to assemble it like that, not like that. So once you've got those, the long pins pointing out, you can join up the chain, then take the closed washer piece, that goes on there, and then this last part, the clip, needs to go on, the chain's going that way, needs to go on like this. So the open end, basically the open end needs to be on this side. The closed end, this round end here, needs to be facing the direction of travel of the chain. And because the chain's going to be going that way when you're pedaling, it needs to be like that. So you need to put that on like that. There we go. The last step is to put the chain back on the chain tensioner, so it goes over this wheel here. And then if you grab the other wheel of the chain tensioner, bring it around and pop it over the chain like that. And we should be good to go. So if you've got any questions or you have any difficulties, just get in touch and we'll be happy to help.